First we're gonna start with removing the seat and then these two side moldings. Because I don't know on which side I will guide the wires, I will take both panels off. This is one side. The second side. So the first thing we're gonna begin with is this cable harness. So this package comes with some tie wraps, a little jumper plug, and the cables. What does the manual say? Gain access to the ignition coil connectors. Connect the plugs to the ignition coil connectors. Nearly route the harness from the ignition coil plugs to the place where you will wish to mount the unit. Okay. And then connect the black wire terminal to a good chassis ground. Okay. This is the second side. So let's begin. Because this is my first time installing the Quickshifter, I don't know how many parts I have to disassemble. So I removed the top part, that's over there. So we'll find out. If you're looking for the ignition coils, the first one is, I don't know if we can see it, but behind this thick one, let me just open this and look. This is the first one, and my second one, you'll see it's in here, the second coil. And the wiring goes behind this piece and it's located here. It's on the left side from the bike, under the seat. So this is coil number 2 and here is coil number 1. The thicker cable I will route through the front side of the coils. And the thinner cable will stay inside the seat. So that's the first coil. On to the second one. That is located on the left side under your seat. So no need to take out the gas tank. This kit comes also with tie wraps for the clutch sensor. This is the clutch sensor himself, and it comes with two washers, a spacer, a longer bolt. What does the manual say? The sensor comes here. We're going to remove this bolt, add the longer bolt with the two washers and the spacer, and this is the clutch sensor. So now it's time to connect the cable that's coming from the clutch onto the module of the Quickshifter. So I started the engine and made a connection with the app. If you start the bike first on ignition, this turns red. And then if you start the engine, it will go green and stay green. Then you know the connection is perfect. I'll let it idle with the starting engine. Did all the tests that the app said. And now I'm gonna install all these parts back on the bike. So I've mounted the gas piece back, the top piece. It isn't necessary to remove the tank. Everything is reachable without taking this part off, because here's a plug and the second one is under the left side on your seat. So as you can see, guys, I've mounted all the pieces back on my bike. Everything is ready now. I got a Quickshifter now on my bike. Here's the sensor. I need to cut off these tie wraps. And then I would like to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. The second video what's coming out is testing the Quickshifter from Healtech on my bike. Thanks.